An FIR has been registered against Bharatiya Janata Party leader and its IT department head Amit Malviya in Bengaluru. The FIR was registered on a complaint by former Congress MLA Ramesh Babu. The case against Malviya was registered over his tweet on Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. Malviya wrote that Rahul Gandhi is dangerous and playing an insidious game on his social media handle. Reacting to the development, BJP MP Tejasvi Surya said that the FIR was politically motivated. The Maharashtra cabinet decided to rename the Versova-Bandra Sea Link as Veer Savarkar Setu and the under-construction Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link as Atal Bihari Vajpayee Smriti Nava Sheva Atal Setu. Last month, on the 140th birth anniversary of the Hindutva ideologue, Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde announced that the Versova-Bandra Sea Link would be named after Savarkar. The upcoming Versova-Bandra Sea Link will connect Andheri to the Bandra-Worli Sea Link as part of the Coastal Road project. The Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link or MTHL, which is India's longest sea bridge, will connect Mumbai to the mainland with a commute time of 12 to 15 minutes. Announcing the decision, senior BJP leader and Minister Sudhir Mungantiwar said that there should be no controversy since the bridges had been renamed after two great personalities of the nation. India's top Muslim body, the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, held an emergency meeting last night. The meeting took place hours after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's strong pitch for a Uniform Civil Code or UCC in the country. He addressed BJP workers in Bhopal and said that two laws in the same country would not work. He stressed that the constitution mentions equal rights for all citizens and even Supreme Court rulings had called for uniform laws. The Prime Minister said that Muslims were being instigated by parties prone to vote bank politics. He firmly said that the BJP had decided that it would not adopt the path of appeasement. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee sustained injuries on her left knee and hip joints. This happened after a rough emergency landing of a chopper that she was in. The helicopter faced inclement weather conditions and had to make an emergency landing at the Sivok Air Base in the Darjeeling district on Tuesday afternoon. She was seen taken in and out of the MRI examination room in a wheelchair where she spent more than an hour. Reports revealed that the Bengal CM rejected the doctor's advice to stay at the SSKM hospital and left the hospital in a wheelchair, saying that she would continue treatment at her home.